Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate percentage increase in Excel. We'll explore three different methods for calculating percentage increases in Excel. All of them are correct and can be used interchangeably to achieve the same result. Let's get started. Let's say we need to increase the values in column B by 10% and display the result in column C. One way to do this is by following these steps. Click on cell C3, input the equal sign, then enter B3 multiplied by 1.1. Excel will use this formula to increase the original value in cell B3 by 10%. To increase the value by 20%, simply multiply B3 by 1.2. Now here's the second method to calculate percentage increases in Excel. Move to cell C4. Input the equal sign, then click on the value you need to increase. In this case, B4. Multiply it by 110%, which represents 100% of the original price plus the desired 10% increase. Ensure the number is stated in percent. To increase the value by 30%, multiply it by 130%. Now, onto the last, third method for calculating percentage increases in Excel. Select cell C5. Input the equal sign. Reference the price to increase. Then add 10% of this value by using the plus sign, followed by B5, multiplied by 0.1. This formula adds 10% of the value to the value itself, resulting in the increase. That's how we calculate a 10% increase in value using these methods. And that wraps up today's tutorial. We've covered three different approaches to calculating percentage increases in Excel. Which of these formulas do you prefer? Share your opinion in the comments before you leave. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video useful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more content like this.